Hey traders, Arjun here. This one is different. No charts today. No indicators. No setups. If Rahul could send one letter back in time to the version of himself who just opened a Zerodha account 14 months ago, this is what it would say. Every lesson, every scar, every truth he had to learn the hard way. One letter. Rahul's letter to his past self. Dear Rahul, you are about to make every mistake in the book. And that is okay. But here's what I wish you knew before you started. Here is what nobody told you. Here is what would have saved you months of pain and thousands of rupees. Read this carefully. Read it again. And then one more time. You will lose 18,500 rupees in your first month. Do not panic. Do not close your account. Do not tell yourself you are not smart enough. That money bought you lessons no book could ever teach. You learned what FOMO feels like in your bones. You learned what revenge trading does to your mind. That was not failure. That was tuition. The most expensive school in the world, and the only one that actually works. Set a stop loss on every single trade. No exceptions. Not most trades. Every trade. The one time you skip, it will be the trade that destroys you. Ask Tata Motors. 8,700 to 8,200 in one session. No stop loss. You held and hoped. Hope is not a strategy. A stop loss is. Put it in before you enter. Make it automatic. Remove your emotions from the equation. Start a trading journal from day 1. Not day 30. Not after your first big loss. Day 1. Write down every trade. Entry price, exit price, why you entered, how you felt, what you saw. Your journal will reveal patterns you cannot see in real time. It will show you that you always lose money on Mondays. That you overtrade after a big win. That your best setups happen between 10 and 11 a.m. The journal will save you thousands of rupees. Start it today. The best trade is often no trade. You will sit in front of your screen for hours and feel like you need to do something. You do not. Sitting on your hands while others chase FOMO is a superpower, not a weakness. Boredom is profitable. The amateurs trade every candle. The professionals wait for their setup. Some of Rahul's best weeks had only 2 or 3 trades. Patience is not passive. Patience is the most active form of discipline. Indicators do not make money. Systems do. You will spend months looking for the perfect indicator. The one magic tool that predicts the market. It does not exist. What works is a set of rules. Written down. Followed every day. Build your rules. Write them on one page. Follow them even when your gut screams otherwise. Especially when your gut screams otherwise. Your gut is wrong more often than you think. You'll want to quit after the revenge trading Monday. The day you lost 4,000 rupees in 90 minutes, try to win back a small loss. You will stare at the screen wondering if you're broken. You are not broken. That day taught you more than any winning streak ever will. It taught you that the market does not care about your feelings. It taught you that discipline is not optional. Do not quit. The lesson only works if you stay. It takes 6 months to stop losing consistently. 12 months to become consistent. Anyone who promises faster is lying. Anyone selling a course that says 30 days to profits is a scam. This is a skill. Like surgery. Like flying a plane. You would not trust a surgeon with 30 days of training. Do not trust yourself with 30 days of screen time. Give yourself permission to be bad at this for 6 months. The timeline is the timeline. Trading is not about money. I know that sounds absurd. But listen, trading is about becoming the kind of person who can follow rules when emotions scream otherwise. The kind of person who can sit still when the world is moving. The kind of person who accepts losses with grace and wins without arrogance. The money follows the discipline. The discipline follows the character. Build the character first. The money will come. Rahul cannot send this letter back in time, but you are reading it right now, wherever you are in your journey. Day 1 or day 1,000. These lessons do not expire. Your journey starts today. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun.